Right, now we want to find out how Snagit works. You can really use it with anything, any picture or any graphic which is on your screen. For ease of use, I'm going to start at my website, theonlineedge.com, and what I will be doing is, remember, you have to hit the print screen button on your keyboard. You can also right click on the icon at the bottom on the icon and select capture image. Now once you've done that, you will notice that you can now drag an area in order to capture. I am dragging this area, which is roughly the size of a banner which I want to create, and once I've selected the area, voila, it gives me this. Now the first thing I will do is I will work on the menu on the right, and I will want to resize the image. Now the first thing I will untick is the keep aspect ratio. I will untick that. I will scale it by specific size, so I'll select that scale to specific size. Now we know that the width of a standard banner is 468 pixels by 60 in height, and you'll notice that this whole little graphic of ours is now changed into the size of a 468 by 60 banner. Alright, now we might want to make a couple of changes to this. For example, if we go to our tools on the left hand side, any tool that you use, you can set the properties, the foreground, the background, the selection shape, the paste mode, etc. But for this exercise, all I will be using is this call out tool. You'll notice the properties are set for blue, and I've also selected this box, so I'm happy with that, and I've also selected blue as the color. I can now go and draw an area once again in blue, and inside I will type something like click me, and you can click then on OK, and there you have it. If you'd like to do something with the edges, you can click on edge effects. You have a whole couple of effects to choose from. Let us use the beveled edge, and look what happens to the graphic. There we get a beveled edge. And once you are done with what you want to do, all you do is you click on save as, select where you want to save it to, give it a name, test, and I prefer to save my images as a JPEG file, and then you click on save, and I'm done. Right, that ought to give you the basic usages. Remember, you can use all the tools here, and you can use them in the image you create. There's a rubber, there's all kinds of things here that you can go and play around with. So over to you. Enjoy.